Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install apps not from the Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure your system has completely booted up and you're at your desktop before proceeding with any changes. This ensures that all system processes are running properly and you won't encounter any issues when adjusting your settings. Once your PC is ready and everything has loaded, you'll need to access your Windows settings. To do this, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and locate the Windows Start menu button. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings window, which is your control center for customizing how Windows operates on your device. When the Settings window opens, you'll see several categories displayed. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This section controls everything related to application management, installation preferences, and app permissions on your Windows 11 system. Clicking on Apps will take you to a new window where you can configure various app-related settings. Now you'll be directed to your App Settings window. From here, you need to locate and click on Apps and Features from the left side menu. This specific section gives you detailed control over where your computer is allowed to download and install applications from. It's an important security feature that Windows uses to protect your system from potentially harmful software. Within the Apps and Features section, scroll down until you find a drop-down menu labeled Choose Where to Get Apps. Click on this drop-down to reveal your available options. By default, Windows the 11th of May restrict installations to only apps from the Microsoft Store for security purposes. However, you'll now see different choices, including options like the Microsoft Store only, anywhere, or anywhere but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. For complete freedom to install any software, select anywhere from this drop-down menu. This change allows you to download and install applications from websites, third-party sources, or any location outside of the Microsoft Store without restrictions. And that's it. You've now configured your Windows 11 system to accept app installations from any source, giving you the flexibility to use whatever software you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.